Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel TechTube. In this tutorial, we are gonna look at how to create the Webtoon account. Do note that I have already installed the application. In case you don't know how to, worry not, we have created a tutorial regarding that as well. Now let's simply look at how to create an account. Well, the process is quite easy. I've opened up the application. Now all I'm gonna do is focus on the bottom right. Right next to the smile button, you will see a button like this called as More. Click on it. And this is it. From here, as you guys can see, there are multiple options, but right now all you guys have to do is click on this button called as Login. Yes guys, click on it. It's gonna give you a few options, like you can log in with email, Google or Facebook. Well, there are other options as well, like Line or simply Twitter. As you guys can see, simply select whatever you wish. For now, I'm simply gonna continue with Google and select my Google account. Well, as you guys can see, I selected my Google account. Now it's opening up something like this. Simply click on the checkbox no matter what section you have selected. And once everything's okay, simply click on submit. And that is it guys. As you guys can see, my account has been created. This is it guys. This is how you create your Webtoon account. The process is quite easy. You can simply log in using the same method as well. Well guys, that is it. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time. Thank you.